Top 3. Mixer Grinders, a guide for cooking enthusiasts. Welcome to today's episode. Today, we uncover the Top 3 Mixer Grinders in India, an indispensable tool for those who treasure culinary creativity. Whether you're blending spices for a savory biryani or preparing silky chutneys, a reliable mixer grinder is your kitchen's best ally. We're diving deep into the features and performance of 3 top contenders. Prestige Iris 750 WW Mixer Grinder Bajaj Rex 500 WW Mixer Grinder and Philips HL 7756/00 Mixer Grinder ***. We'll detail the advantages and limitations of each to empower your choice, ensuring you invest in a product that fuels your culinary passions and meets your precise needs. Elevate your kitchen game today with an informed purchase.